I'm going to have a seat.
Yeah.
Shut up.
We are all going to move forward, the whole team. And in case you didn't know it, this team is Huntington United. And we will move forward and run together.
My name is Gergana Christova. We are from Bulgaria, and we are family members of the Bulgarian Huntington Association. And for us, it's really great pleasure to be here, and it's really helpful, and we learn a lot of things.
I came to the EHDN Plenary Conference to learn more about Huntington's disease. It's a disease that I've just come to learn about this year.
I'm Associate Professor of Neurology in Cairo University. I am here attending this meeting of the European Huntington Disease Network to know more about the network and to establish a network for my patients and their caregivers in Egypt.
Delivered ASO distribute well to the brain regions that we know are affected in Huntington's disease? Yes. 4 years ago, I stood up at EHDN in Barcelona in September and announced that we would be doing this trial. And now I'm going to be here telling you the trial results. The first successful Huntington lowering clinical drug trial. No patients dropped out of the study. We had no serious adverse events in any drug-treated patients. It was safe in this 7-month study. It was well tolerated for the duration of the study, and we had dose-dependent lowering of our target, the disease-causing mutant Huntington.
Be enthusiastic about every promising treatment for Huntington's disease, but also be skeptical. What's the yes but? Yes, but it has to be given by spinal injection. Yes, but it's a virus, and your immune system might produce antibodies. This is a pill, this is brilliant, I can take this pill and I don't have to have any injections. Yes, but. And that's why we have to keep our eyes open. Not just focus on the one horse that's leading, but every horse in the race. And we need to be a really weird bunch of horse racing enthusiasts who are equally happy for every horse to win. It's not about who crosses the line first, it's about all of the horses making it across the line and then having a big horse party in a swimming pool.
The plenary meeting was quite something. As a biologist, I haven't been to a scientific conference where families are there and pharma, the scientist, and everybody is covered. So I learned a lot. I learned about what the pharmaceutical industry is doing to help, and also basically a lot of science that I cannot go into details about, but really exciting, and there's a lot of hope in this community, and it's a community that has been hanging on since 1993.
In my life, and I think in many others, hope is such a strong force. So it keeps you going, and then setbacks and disappointments is part of life. So we must not be too afraid of disappointments and try to think that it's an easier life when we don't raise expectations. I don't mean to be, extremely unrealistic, but on the other side, really celebrating victories, really hoping for this trial or the other trial to succeed, that keeps me going, it fuels me.
movements. Matthias then was 13 years old. I was terrified to tell him about the disease, and I couldn't bear the thought that he, at such a young age, would live with the worry of getting sick. When Matthias was 15 years old, I told him about Huntington. His reaction made me realize that this was something I should have done many years earlier. He said, "I have always known that I will die in the same illness that grandmother had."
And all I had was my image of my father and my grandmother. They were not beautiful stuff, so it was just death for me to find this out. And I was asking my friends, two of them, to, when I get the symptoms, kill me. Yeah. And they said, okay, we'll do that. Now I told them, no.
Very happy to hear that.
So it was bad.
Så starkt och modigt att våga berätta. Och det är ju det här som är det viktiga, tror jag, att man vågar ta bort stigmatiseringen, att man vågar prata om HD.
In Egypt, having this Oriental background and being Middle Eastern, we have a problem of stigma, and we are just trying to erase this stigma and to encourage people to speak about their disease.
We hope that they researchers meet some solutions for this disease, because we have a lot of problems with HD, and we know that it is so difficult disease.
So I'm from Kenya, and this is most probably one of those diseases that is overlooked. Diseases that involve the brain and your heredity are probably taboo subjects. People don't want to talk about them, but it's an exciting time. I feel like there's a lot of goodwill and willingness to invest in this very rare disease that affects a very small population, but in a very cruel manner.